In this episode, I am joining in with my sisters of KIRF and doing a makeup look for the month. So if you're interested in how I got this look, then you know what to do. Keep watching. Hello everyone, I'm Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I am doing a makeup look with my sisters of KIRF, which is keeping it real fun. Now we do a makeup look once a month. Now for February we're doing the Sweetest Palette Hangover, and it's a palette that you have that you really love, that you can't do without, that this palette is the palette for you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and jump into preparing my face, as you may say, to get this look and to share the palette. So just keep watching. Now here are the ladies that are in KRF. I will have their information down below to their channels so you can check out their makeup looks as well. And let them know that Stephanie sent you. Now, when I first started getting into doing makeup, especially eyeshadow, I fell in love with BH Cosmetics. And they had this palette that I just wanted so bad. And when I got the palette, the beautiful colors in it and the pigment of their colors was, oh, I tell you, everything for me. And this is my favorite palette. Now I'm going to share with you what the palette looked like. Are you ready for the reveal? So if you can't tell, I love to do this pink and purple look. I've done the lighter shade of pink on the outside, fuchsia in the middle, and purple on the end. So I really like this look. I think it makes my eyes look really pretty. What do you think? Let me know down below what you think of this look. And this BH Cosmetic palette is my go-to. I love this palette. I've had it for years. Let me know if you have this palette in your collection. Now don't forget to check the playlist down below for the other participants in the KRF collaboration, and we'll see you next month with our next look. Look at me looking good. Bye. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.